The TECNO Camon 16 Premier is here. TECNO is launching a new Camon 16 series just months after the launch of the Camon 15 series, which has been selling countrywide. The Camon 16 series is made up of three new devices: the Camon 16 Premier, the Camon 16 Pro, and the Camon 16 that will come later on. The Camon 16 Premier is the most expensive of the series, and it looks to be the exact device of the Infinix 08. So in this unboxing, we'll just cover what you get in the box, because we have already covered a couple of other things from the exact specifications of the 08. There won't be much to talk about. The presentation this time round is quite different. At the top there is a box with a white circle written TECNO. Inside it you get the 12+1 month warranty. Then inside that you get the clear case that TECNO always includes with the devices. Underneath that you get the stickers showing you the IMEI and the specifications of the device you just bought. Then underneath that you get the TECNO Camon 16 Premier, presented as usual in TECNO's style. Let's put it to the side and look at what's inside that beneath. So you get the biggest charger TECNO has ever shipped. I believe this is the biggest charger from TECNO. It's 33 watts and should charge your phone to 70% from zero in about 30 minutes. Inside the small box you get the type A to type C cable, and inside the cable you can see TECNO have gone with an orange look. I guess orange signifies fast charging. Then later on you find the earphones. These are the usual earphones from TECNO. They're not rubber earphones, so everyone who loves rubber earphones, you'll have to buy other earphones. But anyway, TECNO is offering the device with the HiPods, true wireless earbuds. So if you can be among the first people to buy it, you'll get the true wireless earbuds from TECNO. Let's look at the phone itself. At the front, TECNO is, as usual, highlighting the major specifications of the device. So the 64 megapixel ultra quad camera, the 48 megapixel selfie camera, the super night video mode, it's super video mode, the ultra night portrait powered by Tivos, which TECNO has been talking about for quite some while, the 6.9 full HD dual display, and the 33 watt fast charging. What's funny is that TECNO is not mentioning the 90 Hz refresh rate in this device. With the Infinix 08, Transsion has really pushed the 90 Hz display refresh rate. With this one, there's no mention of it on the box and on the wrapping of the device itself, which is weird. As you can see, it's a fingerprint magnet. Just from the first interaction, there's already fingerprints everywhere. It's very reflective, so it's really hard to show this. At the front you get the dual front cameras. On the sides you get the power button, which doubles up as the fingerprint scanner, and the volume rockers. At the bottom you get the speaker, the USB Type-C cable, and the headphone jack. The microphone is also at the bottom. At the other side you get the SIM tray, which has two SIM card slots and one microSD slot. At the top there is nothing, and then at the back you get this very sort of different camera design from the company. In terms of bloatware, there's a couple of bloatware apps here that you can either choose to delete or disable, like with the Infinix 08. I know Infinix and TECNO really needs to work on this, because it's very annoying that every time you get a new phone from TECNO, you have to sort of do a lot of stuff if you want to avoid the ads and the unnecessary notifications that always pop by. With the Infinix 08, I have managed to delete all the apps that I don't need, and I've managed to change the launcher to a different launcher so as to avoid all notifications. So my phone doesn't constantly pop with apps seeking my attention and looking for things that I should do, and gossip news and all that. So the first thing I'll advise anyone, if you don't want an annoying phone, just disable all the apps you don't know. And if you find that there's an app you might want to use, you can always re-enable it later on. But at the first boot, just disable everything. Don't agree to stuff you don't understand, and don't give permissions to apps that you don't understand. Both the Camon 16 Premier and the Infinix 08 have the same specifications and the same camera systems. The only difference is that the camera design at the back is different. So at the front, everything looks the same, from the bezels to the chin to everything. But at the back, Infinix has a sort of square that's turned to look like a diamond. They call it a diamond design. But TECNO is going with a more squarish design, with a couple of things at the top that could be LED flashlights. I don't understand it, but it looks good. I thought it would look weird, but on hand it looks quite good. They have the same weight. Both devices feel the same in my hand in terms of weight. They have the same plastic glossy finish, and they both feel quite good and premium. They also both support 90 Hz refresh rates, though Infinix is the only one marketing the 90 Hz refresh rate on its packaging and branding. So yeah, that's it. This was just a quick unboxing and first impressions of the device. I'll be sharing my full review of the Infinix 08 very soon, because I've been using it for quite a while, and then I'll share my review of the Camon 16 Premier, which will just be sort of a comparison with the Infinix 08, because I believe they're the same devices. What are your thoughts? Please subscribe, share your comments down below, and share this video with everyone who's been asking about the Camon 16 Premier. Thanks.